In Minecraft, there is 1 in 1200 chances that you get a blue axolot.
Rarer than charge creeper. Oh no! Oh no 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 no!
In reality, that rarity mirrors something deeper. Blue doesn't exist in nature. What? What is this? Not like this! And the creature that comes in this impossible color can rebuild its own brain. Welcome back to Minecraft's Field Guide. Previously, we have covered the Nautilus, and today we are diving deep with the axolotl. Quite literally. Axolotls arrived in Minecraft with 1.17's Caves and Cliffs update, and they immediately became a fan favorite. They spawn only in lush caves, underground, in complete darkness, surrounded by clay and water. The real axolotl is native to one place on Earth, Lake Xochimilco, southeast of Mexico City.
A single lake system. Can you hear me?
They live in deep, dark water where light is barely penetrates. The lake is a bed of muddy and clay-rich, fed by underground springs, which is cold, murky, and hidden. Minecraft's lush caves mirror this deep water, darkness, and isolation. The game captured the axolotl world in block form. It's not a coincidence, it's accuracy. But here's where reality diverges. That lake in Mexico City is surrounded by 21 million people. Polluted canals, water extraction, invasive species, the habitat is collapsing in real time. The Minecraft version is safe, protected by the void and infinite respawns. 5 color variants exist in Minecraft: pink, brown, gold, cyan, and blue. There was supposed to be a sixth color. A green axolot was shown in early trailers, but it was cut. Why? Well, because Mojang has a rule that they only include realistic animals or pure fantasy. A green axolot implies that it lived in murky, algae-filled water or that it was radioactive. Real axolots aren't green. By cutting it, they kept the animal accurate to its real-world biology. Most spawn regularly. But blue, 1 in 1200 chance. You could play for hundreds of hours and never see one naturally. And if that blue shades look familiar to you, it should. Community thinks that Mojang added this specific color as tribute to Mudkip from Pokemon. That rarity also accidentally mirrors physics. Blue is the hardest color for nature to make. Most blue animals don't actually produce blue pigment. A blue jay's feathers aren't blue. They are brown with a structure that scatters light at blue wavelength. Morpho butterflies do the same thing with microscopic scales. It's the trick of the light, not a chemical. True blue pigmentation, where an animal manufactures actual blue molecules, is vanishingly rare in vertebrates. So when Minecraft made blue axolot a 1 in 1200 anomaly, they aligned with biology. Wild type axolotls are dark brown with golden speckles. Camouflage, survival coloration. But in Captivity, we see pink, gold, cyan, colors that would get them eaten instantly in Xochimilco. Minecraft includes the pink and gold variants because those exist in millions of aquariums worldwide. The game is modeling not just the wild animal, but the pet, the mutations, and the impossible colors selected by humans. When an axolotl encounters a hostile mob underwater, it attacks it. But watch what happens when it takes damage. It stops moving, sinks to the bottom, becomes invulnerable, and while mobs around it lose interest, it regenerates. After 10 seconds, it gets up. It faked death to survive. This playing dead is a game mechanic, but regeneration, that is 100% real. Axolotls are the regeneration gods of the animal kingdom. When a real axolotl is injured, it doesn't just heal, it rebuilds itself. The cells at the injury site revert to a stem cell-like state, forming a blastema. This growth zone reads the biological blueprint and rebuild whatever was lost. Lose a limb, regrow it. Lose part of your brain, rebuild it. Scientists have studied this for 150 years. If we could replicate this in humans, we could repair severed spines or damaged hearts. Minecraft rewards you with regeneration buff for helping them fight, and it's a subtle nod to their medical superpower. Axolotls in Minecraft have a cute wiggly swimming animation. In reality, axolotls are actually clumsy swimmers. They aren't fish, they prefer to walk along the muddy bottom of the lake using their legs. And unlike the game, they don't bite their prey, they inhale it. They create a sudden vacuum seal that sucks food directly into their stomachs. But the weirdest part of their biology is the external gills, feathery pink branches. Most salamanders starts like this. Axolotls refuse to grow up. This is called neoteny. They reach sexual maturity while staying in their larval form. They are the Peter Pan of the amphibians, forever young, forever aquatic. You can force a real axolotl to metamorphose using iodine or thyroid hormones. They lose their gills and crawl onto land, but it's cruel and it shortens their lifespan dramatically. They evolved to stay in the water.
In Minecraft, axolotls chirp and squeak. It's very cute. In reality, they are silent. Axolotls have no vocal cord. The only sound they make is a soft hiccup when they gulp air from the surface. The game devs actually recorded real axolotl hiccups and mixed them with edited dog barks to create the in-game sounds.
In Minecraft, baby axolotls take 20 minutes to mature, but they never change the shape, they just get bigger. And the game nails this.
You breed axolotls with bucket of tropical fish, which they also attack sometimes.
A baby spawns instantly. Real axolotls produce slowly. When you breed two axolotls, the baby usually inherit a parent's color. This mirrors how recessive genes works in reality. Breeders have spent decades isolating specific genes to create the colors we see in pet stores. But remember, natural selection didn't create pink, gold, or blue axolotls. Human did. We selected for pretty rather than survivable. In the wild, axolotls are functionally extinct.
In 2013, a 4-month research found nothing. A month later, 2 were spotted. Today, fewer than 35 live per square kilometer in Lake Xochimilco, if any at all. And one of the reasons Minecraft added this animal to the game was because of its critically endangered status.
But look at Minecraft. Safe, protected, infinite. And look at our world. There are millions of axolotls in captivity. In labs, they are crucial for medical research. In homes, they are beloved pets. We have the animal, we have its DNA, but we have destroyed its home. Xochimilco is now a network of polluted canals, the invasive tilapia eat the axolotl eggs, the city drinks the water. But in Minecraft, you put an axolotl in a bucket to save it, you become the conservationist, you build it a clean tank. In reality, that's exactly what happened. The only safe place for an axolotl now is in glass box. There are efforts to fix this. Scientists are building protected sanctuaries within the lake, filtering the water, removing the predators, trying to put the pieces back together. You are seeing a creature that is medically immortal, yet ecologically extinct. A species that exists in millions of bedrooms but almost nowhere in nature. You are holding something that's truly rare in the game and in reality. That's it for this field guide. In the next one, we'll go into the different deep dive with different animal and compare it with the real life counterpart. So if you don't want to miss it, hit subscribe. It's free and you can change your mind whenever you want. This was Mansab. You are watching Simply Wild and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.